Thanks to Madam Noliana. We are from assignment group 8. Our assignment topic is about nodal analysis with independent source. So in this video, we are going to introduce briefly about nodal analysis and the calculation. So this is the example question for our nodal analysis. What is nodal analysis is provide a general procedure for analyzing circuit using node voltage as the circuit variable. So from starter, we are going to assign the nodes. We are going to identify the nodes, and then the next we are going to assign the node voltage with V1 and V2, following by branch current. The next will be identify the direction of current flowing. So then we can use Kirchhoff current law, which states that for a parallel path, the total current entering a circuit junction is exactly equal to the total current leaving the same junction, which means after we identify all the direction of the current flowing, we can exactly calculate the I total of this nodal analysis circuit with independent source. So now we are using law, which is V equal to IR, and I is inversely proportional to resistance and directly proportional to voltage in order to calculate the V1 and V2. So the next will be showing the example calculation of this circuit.
Salam sejahtera, Madam Nur Liana binti Abdul Muttalib. My name is Tan Jiaqi. Now I would like to show you how to use nodal analysis to analyze this circuit with independent source. From this circuit, we can see there are one current source 8 ampere, one voltage source 50 volt, and there are 5 different resistance value of resistor. Our question is we need to find the node voltage V1 and V2. So the first step, we need to identify all nodes in circuit. We already know the nodes are V1, V2, and a ground. And step 2, we assign the current direction. So here is a series connection. We can know that this series will be 8 ampere. Then I1 will flow out from V1. I2 will flow into V2. I3 will flow out from V2, and I4 will flow into V2. We go into step 3 to apply KCL to each node. So KCL at node V1 will be equals to I1 plus I2 equals to 8, and node V2 equals to I2 plus I4 equals to I3. Then we go into step 4. We use Ohm's law to express branch current in terms of node voltages. I1 will be equals to V1 over 5. I2 will be equals to V1 minus V2 over 5. I3 will be equals to V2 over 4. And I4 will be equals to 50 minus V2 divided by 10. And the last step, we will solve the simultaneous equation. Then we get the first simultaneous equation here. That's in terms of V1 and V2. And the second equation also in terms of V1 and V2. Then we will sub in the first equation into the second equation. So we can get V1 equals to 30 volt and V2 will be equals to 20 volt. Therefore, we can get the answer V1 equals to 30 volt and V2 equals to 20 volt. That's all from our group. Thank you.